Sudoers or Sudo group. So I'm gonna add a user, add user Madhu, then I'm gonna give password. Then why? So I just added that user. So if I want to switch to that user, yeah, just do su and that username. So I became that user now. You can check IDs. So it shows Madhu. So you can check here as well. So if I want to run some sudo commands, for instance, sudo apt update. So it says that Madhu is not in the sudoers file. So this sudo, when you put sudo in front of any command, so this gives privileges as a root user. So you can, as a root user, it's an admin, so you can install something and you can make any changes inside the system. So then how to make this user as a sudo user? So what you can do, just exit. Now you're a sudo user. Just you can uh, you can do multiple ways. Either you can edit this vi sudo file, or you can add this user to sudo. So if I had let's do this, let's add this user to sudo group. So that's a user mode -a, and that's append and capital G, that's a group. So sudo, then you can add this Madhu. So if we check the groups and the Madhu user, so this Madhu user is become belong to Madhu's group and Sudo's group. So let's switch to that user again, Madhu. Okay, now if I run sudo apt update, if I put password, now it's gonna run because we just added that user to the sudo groups. So you can do other way as well. So what I'm gonna do, just exit. Then I'm gonna remove that Madhu user from sudo's group. So if I look, Madhu now is part of sudo. Then what I'm gonna do, g passwd -d, then give that group name and username. Okay, removing user, so sudo is not a member of Madhu. Okay, let's do the other way. I'll just do Madhu and a group name. So it's been removed. If I look groups Madhu, so I couldn't see that Madhu. So now what I can do, either I can edit etc sudoers file this way, or you can simply do vi sudo. Okay, this one is opened in nano editor, so I don't like it honestly. So you can change your default editor, change Linux default editor, so you can run this command, change it to vi. I'm much comfortable with vi, so if you are okay with nano, just use that. Then type 3. Okay, let me do not vi sudo now. So if you come over here, you can put your username Madhu, sorry, I for insert mode, then Madhu. Then if you want to run all commands, just copy the above line or just enter as it is. So if you don't want to put your password, so while you're running some sudo commands, it was asking for password. So if you don't want to be prompted for password, so just do no passwd :space and all. That's it. Save and exit. Now switch to that user again, Madhu. Then if you do sudo update, now it didn't prompt for password, right? So because we added no password in that sudoers file.